Hi guys, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm
Fine,
fine, thank
good,
you.
good. Okay, today we will start with a topic, very important topic in data analysis. Firstly, I will introduce myself. I am Muhammad Nuruddin, Data Analysis Foundation Session Lead, and we will talk about five number summary. What is five number summary? Five number summary gives us a way to describe distribution using only five numbers. The five numbers include the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. So, if we took a sample and measured some random quantitative variables, we could order these values from smallest to largest and use the five number summary to describe the distribution. The minimum is the smallest value in a data set, and the maximum is the largest value in a data set. The median is the middle data value. It is a point at which 50% of the data values are below the median, and 50% of the data values are larger than the median. Now, the median of the bottom half is called first quartile. It is a position where 25% of data values are below it and 75 of data values are larger than it. The first quartile is essentially the median of the median. The same thing can be said for the third quartile. The median of the top half gives us the third quartile, and it is a position where 75% of the data values are below it, and 25% of the data values are larger than it. The five number summary also gives us a way to divide the data into four equal quarters. So let's determine the five number summary for the following data set. We will start we will start with the median. To find the median, you can look for it visually, and you should find the median is equal to 33. You can also use the formula to find position of the median, and we find it is in the 8th position, which is equal to 33. Now, to find the first quartile, we can use the same formula to find the position of Q1, except this time n refers to the number of data values below the median. There are 7 data points below the median. So n is equal to 7, and we find the first quartile is in the fourth position. So we count to the fourth position and we can see that Q1 is equal to 25. To find the third quartile, we will do the same sort of thing, except n refers to the number of data values that are of the median. There will always be symmetry, so you should find that Q3 is also in position 4. So we count 4 positions above the median and we find that Q3 is equal to 36. Now, the minimum is the smallest number and the maximum is the largest number. So, number as a result, this is our 5 numbers and makes something called a box plot. A box plot gives us a visual representation of the 5 number summary, and it looks something like this. We will talk about box plot in details in the next section. Finally, if you have any question, please raise your hand and then ask your question. Okay, Abla?
How we get the five number summary if the count of data Set points is even number.
Okay, this is a good question. If the dataset has even number, this is our dataset. This is odd number. If we have another number here, 60, for example, we have even number. So we will get the two numbers in the middle, 33 and 34, and make summation. Then we will divide the summation by 2 and we get the median. And the same thing for first quartile and third quartile. Okay, Belusa, you got it?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you and goodbye.